Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Phil, and I'm here to help you start and grow your online business through affiliate marketing. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important steps in your affiliate marketing journey, choosing the right niche. Struggling to choose the right niche for your affiliate marketing business? Don't worry, this video will guide you through the process of finding a profitable niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is a niche? In affiliate marketing, a niche is a specific segment of a larger market that you focus on. It's about targeting a particular group of people with specific interests, needs, or problems. For example, instead of targeting the broad fitness market, you might focus on vegan fitness or fitness for busy professionals. Choosing the right niche is crucial because it determines the type of audience you'll attract and the products you'll promote. A well-chosen niche can make it easier to create content, attract traffic, and ultimately make sales. On the other hand, a poorly chosen niche might leave you struggling to find your audience or generate revenue. Step 1 is identifying your interests and passions. Think about what you enjoy doing, what you're knowledgeable about, and what topics you could talk about for hours. Your niche should ideally align with your interests because you'll be creating a lot of content around it. For example, if you're passionate about cooking, you might consider a niche like healthy recipes or baking tips. Write down a list of your top interests, and let's move to the next step. Step 2 is researching market demand. You want to choose a niche that has a sizable audience and demand for products. Use tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and Amazon's bestseller list to see what people are searching for and buying. Look for niches that have steady or growing interest over time. This indicates a healthy demand that can sustain your affiliate marketing efforts. Step 3 is analyzing the competition. It's important to understand who your competitors are and how you can differentiate yourself. Check out other blogs, YouTube channels, and social media accounts in your potential niche. Look at what kind of content they produce, how they engage with their audience, and what affiliate products they promote. A competitive niche isn't necessarily bad. It means there's money to be made, but you need to find a way to stand out. Step 4 is evaluating profitability. Not all niches are created equal when it comes to making money. Some niches have higher paying affiliate programs and more opportunities for monetization. Research affiliate programs related to your niche and see what kind of commissions they offer. High-ticket items and recurring commissions can significantly boost your earnings. Finally, step 5 is validating your niche. Before you dive in, test the waters by creating some content and promoting a few products. This will give you a sense of whether the niche is a good fit for you and if there's genuine interest from your audience. Pay attention to how your audience responds. Are they engaging with your content? Are they clicking on your affiliate links? This feedback is invaluable in validating your niche choice. To wrap it up, choosing the right niche is a critical step in your affiliate marketing journey. By identifying your interests, researching market demand, analyzing competition, evaluating profitability, and validating your niche, you can set yourself up for success. Remember, the goal is to find a niche that you're passionate about and that has a profitable market. It might take some time and research, but it's worth the effort. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the right niche for your affiliate marketing business. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on affiliate marketing. Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. And if you're ready to start your journey, visit our website at peachomincome.com for more resources and courses. Let me know if there is anything you would like to see in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and happy marketing.